In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Monday.com for hiring in 2025, walking you through each step to ensure you have a streamlined process ready to go. Let's dive in to get you started on setting up your hiring board effectively. First up, you'll want to navigate to the New Project section in Monday.com. This is where the magic begins as you lay the groundwork for an organized hiring process. Once you're there, you'll see an option labeled Board. Clicking on this will take you to the heart of your project workspace where everything will be housed. Next, look for the New Board button. This is because you want to create a fresh canvas that will serve as the foundation for tracking your hiring activities. Once you click on New Board, you'll have the opportunity to name this board. Here, it's a good idea to use a clear, descriptive name like hiring or something similar that everyone involved will immediately understand. It's all about keeping things intuitive. After naming your board, you'll see an option to Create Board. Clicking this button confirms the setup, and just like that, your hiring board is ready for customization. Now with your board created, it's time to add specific items that will represent different stages of your hiring process. Visualize your process and think about the typical flow an applicant follows. You'll want to include items like new applicants, where you can keep track of incoming resumes and then interviews scheduled to monitor who you've lined up for interviews. Follow this up with categories such as offers sent to document candidates you're extending offers to, and finally,